So good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we went to the Costa Maya port. It was really pretty. And so we really didn't have an excursion plan. We were just going to get off the ship and go find an excursion. The thing about that was we got off the ship a little bit too late. And so any excursion that we would have went on, which I didn't film that, would have been like over the time. So we ended up just kind of meandering through and going all the way back to where you could hire a taxi. Now, the taxi was able to take us to the beach that you see in the video, which was really cool. So we paid $15 per person. So it was like $60 for the four of us, and it took us to the beach, and we got like beach chairs for that $15, like in their little area that you see in the video, but it did not include return, back to the port. So we had to hire another taxi to take us back to the port, which I can't remember how much it was, but it was not that expensive. So I just wanted to tell you, like I said, like never be afraid to really get out on those videos, on those excursions, because it's honestly not that bad. And I feel like it's funny because the Costa Maya port actually had two big pools with like entertainment. It was a really big port. They had so much shopping there, so much entertainment, and a lot of people that we kind of like ended up befriending was like we couldn't even find the beach. Like they couldn't even find their way like out of the port, and it wasn't hidden, but it wasn't like you really had to like go all the way down and around and then like kind of like on a side street to actually get into the city. And we didn't feel like not safe at all. Like we felt like very safe, it was extremely nice. The weather was beautiful, and that beach was so much nicer than the beach that we just ended up in Cozumel. And I realized that the water there was so rocky, I guess because they call it trade winds. And it's just like, as we were like going, the next day was a sea day, and the water's just, as the farther we got back up towards Miami, the water just got calmer and calmer. So could you imagine being like on a tiny wooden sailboat in those ridiculous waters? It just blew my mind. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. These waves are pounding. Tell them where we're at. Costa Maya.
Oh, there's so much going on.
I
you got
know.
Waves hitting everywhere. You got like
It's
5
so
cruises.
busy.
It's like 30,000 people.
But these waves are crazy. The seas are so rough right now. Even I was feeling like a little bit seasick. I don't think you can tell from the video. Like you really can't tell from the video. It is a little bit rough out there. Oh, this is a vibe. Come here, baby. Where did...
Stop walking.
Déjalo.
Hey, stop! You're not my
Okay.
There's another family. They were on our bus with us.
Oh, okay. Cool. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Huh? Yeah. Oh, look, there's our ships. Look at that. Take the boats out. That's a big barrier. We are, baby. This is the ocean. Okay, you ready? It's cool. So they had to, like, I guess build like a little barrier because I'm assuming the seas are this rough all the time. It is like, that wind is really winding out there. So beautiful here. Oh, it's so beautiful. The breeze feels so nice. The water feels nice. How far does it go? And then, like, it's nice because they make it a little safe. They're like these tiny little alcoves everywhere that really make it safe for her to play. So it doesn't really go that far, and it's probably not that deep. So it makes it, like, really safe. It's a cutie.
Don't do that to him.
Don't splash water on him, Rosie.
He's like a little dog. No, he's waiting for his worker to come back. I bet that's worker right there.
What was that dog's name?
Commodore.
Commodore? Huh?
Commodore.
Commodore? Oh. I'm a sacrifice. Give me a sacrifice or die. You're good. Huh? I'm so happy for her. Where's Girly at? There she is. Look, what, she got a random coconut? Oh, we're not ready. Yeah.
It might be, man. Walk in the Carnival.
Wow, look at all this. It's such a vibe. This I love.
They had like lady. Oh look, they looked at. Don't say you'll never go. Looked at really looked.
Oh man. Yeah, I need that. How much is this? How much?
Oh,
Three for 20.
we need some real grilled chicken. Is the cup? Sir, is the price? Oh, the wine? The white pork.
I need a better deal than this.
Oh man.
Maybe we gotta check around. We're gonna talk.
Oh.
It's the cup. The cup.
Oh, let me. He wants to go see this.
Is it warm?
Is it good?
Really good.
Rosie, please keep going, baby. I wonder how much these massages were.
I don't want to hear about that. Those coconuts are ready.
Those are the good coconuts. No,
they. No, come here, Rosie.
No, Rosie. That's their business.
Then we gotta go past this.
You already know she was about to pick one of those up, Mom. You hear me?
Yeah.
And I would have had to smack it out.
Ready, Cam? That's how you make your smiley face. Get next to him.
Exactly.
Do your face, and you'll look like twins.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's it.
So you don't have claws and
Oh, there it goes.
My friend, very good.
No. Oh, pretty.
Where to go, papi?
Only got $20. That's it. You want some hair braided? Oh, I know, right? They had the whole full setup. They had the setup back there too. Ooh, cool cart. Oh, now look at this. This is pretty.
Ma, I need to rent one of those. I need to.
That's dope.
Rent one of those, see? Where did they get in here? I need to rent one.
Oh, that's where the ATM is.
Oh, taxis.
Tell them how you got out of the ATM.
Oh no, he took me to a guy in a little shop over there. He put out his little like credit card machine.
It's so dumb.
Slid my car. They gave me cash out of his pocket.
They got you, bro.
No card.
They got you. See, look, we could have made it down here on our little golf cart. Oh, scary
It was
Terry.
sold out. What are you talking about?
Scary Terry. We could have made it. We could have made it.
Hey, what?
Scary. We could have been on that golf cart. Give it a swing. Hammocks are a vibe.
Pineapple for me.
Pero wait, Ma.
How is it? Fresh? You love it? It's so good.
Because they're natural. They let it fucking, ripen naturally. And not ripening on the green and just ripening on the train. On the truck. Oh, the pineapple. You want pineapple? You want mango roll?
It's so fresh and it's so good. But the mango's my favorite. I love mango.
Which one's your favorite?
Mango. So you pay $15 per person to get a driver over from the port, and then you get that's like your beach access. And then you have to find a taxi cab and pay $4 per person to get back to the port because it's not a round trip. Just so you know. Is that sus? Nah, that's what he said. So it's not sus. It's just ridiculous, but it just is what it is.
Right, now wait. ¿Listo? ¿Pasando la lista?
Wait, baby. Okay. Okay.
Para allá que estás hablando. $4.
Get in, baby. Cam, you want to get on the other side?
Oh, you should.
now. I can even mine.
Oh, I have to show. So you have to show your key card.
Yeah.
That was like that in
What was that? Carnival?
no, Honduras yesterday.
I like that.
She had to show the key card for the bus to get back in.
Right.
What?
You have to show a ship key card. So that beach break was awesome. The water was so nice, and it's like the farther you went out in that little square, like that cool current, just hit you with like cool. So it was so refreshing. Like we spent, I think, $60 for all 4 of us to go over there, and we were there maybe about 2.5 hours, something like that. Just enough to like hang out, and it was so nice. It's exactly what I thought Cozumel was gonna be, but Cozumel was a bust. It was still fun, but it just wasn't what I was expecting as far as water. We are heading back into the port. At least it's like way less crowded in here this time. That was a hot mess. Let's go. This is like, I think this is just included. Like they have just this as soon as you get off this, like off the port. Oh, sand. So they have like these 2 little pool areas that anybody can just lounge out and hang out at. See? Splash surfing, swim and sit pool bar. So back to ship this way. But this comes with it, but I mean, it's not nearly as fun. So this little area right here, you can just sit down and go swimming at, I think for free. They really, there's nobody here, you're just sitting and going, you know? So that's really nice if you don't want to leave the port area. It's really nice if you don't want to leave the port area because maybe you're too scary to leave. But it's not scary. To buy the souvenirs. I'm right here. It's much, it's much, see there's another pool. It's much cheaper to buy the souvenirs. That magnet I bought was only $3. So, you know, they be trying to tax y'all when y'all on the ports, you know? So, there's the other pool. Oh! Look. Oh, they got a routine and everything. They really don't want you to go far. Because they want you to spend your money right here.
Somebody like Cameron would be like, oh yeah, cool.
It's your birthday. And they do. Yes, we need the nap. Oh, huge.
You okay?
Man, it's like scary huge. I think Norwegian is the one that they be having golf go-karts on them. Yeah. Have you seen those?
Encore.
Oh, Encore?
Encore. This one's got water park and rope.
But Norwegian's the one that does. Yes, that's what I.
Encore.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were on that last spring.
How was it? Was
Very
it pretty cool?
expensive. It's nice, but it's expensive.
No.
Great for just a couple rounds.
This one has the roller coaster, and it was like $15, and it's just two little laps, like 30 seconds.
Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's exactly what. It was a cool experience, though.
Right. You got experience it?
You did it on the ship. Water station. Water station. Dancers. So satisfied.
Do you think
Rosie,
he's
dance.
the captain? Well, do you think he's the captain?
No, baby. Let's go. Ooh.
I don't even know what that is.
All right, let's go quickly shower.
Dinosaur.
Audie cleaned up the rooms. Hey, come on.
You can play with this.
So it is a lot of food, and we decided to share. These crispy onion string, delicious. Pulled pork, like all this. I haven't tasted the mac. How's the mac and cheese? Delicious.
Sticky and thick.
Gordon got gypped. He only got one sausage. But everything else, these, I love onion strings, so they're good. The pulled pork, just the seasoning on the pulled pork, delicious. I like it a lot. It's really good in here. I can see why it's so popular. This is some beautiful artwork. I love these two right here. But this one, I don't know. It's got like, this will look good in like the boys' game room.
Is a mega party featuring singers, dancers, live musicians, and the best DJ on the 7 seas.
DJ
Are
Clue.
you all ready for showtime? I do need to warn you that this party features bright flashing lights, strobing lights,
Yeah.
and stage fog, and you are all on stage. Your pro DJ, all the way from St. Lucia, it's DJ Q. Somebody grab your air guitar and play it out together, baby. Let's go. Now I know you know the lyrics. I like over here too. Now everybody, take both hands, put it up in the air. When I clap, you clap for the beat. 3, 2, 1, go. Celebration Mexico. One more time. Give it up. Clap your hands to the beat right now. Clap your hands to the beat right now. Clap your hands to the beat right now. To the beat right now. To the beat right now. Let's go. Everybody get your hands up. This side. With who? With who? I wanna be the. With who? If you recognize any of these songs, you can have a little dance at your chair, baby. That's what I'm talking about. What we gonna do tonight, boys? Tell me. Sing it out like this.
Oh, you want to go dance, Rosie? Oh, okay.
Let's go, say. Sing it out and with Evolution.